In this video, I will show you how you can pass your driving test with zero fault and how you can control your nerve. So let's get started. Throughout the driving, I will talk through what I am looking and what I am planning, so you understand how you can plan properly and deal with different situations. And I will be following the sat nav throughout. So now I am in test. Preparing my car. No one is coming. Taking care of this car. All good. A little bit slow. Good distance. A little bit left. Checking my distance from the front car. Pedestrian approaching. Now it's safe, no pedestrian. No one coming from left. Car is at good distance. Checking mirrors. On this right turn, I knew that car approaching from the right is at good distance and slow speed, so I could make it before that car came closer and brake for me. So when you are at the junction, you have to think about yourself. How long will you take to turn and clear their space so they don't have to brake for you? I can see keep clear. Queue is moving, so there will be space for me. Pedestrian crossing, no one waiting. Little bit speed up.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Lee Hill Road.
Okay, going ahead, no need signal.
Cross the roundabout and take the second
Keeping
exit.
this side road clear. Now it's safe. No one approaching from right. Safe to enter. Checking left mirror signal. Left mirror again. Taking care of this bend. Checking mirrors to increase speed. Noticed parked car on the left, slightly moving towards the center. Watching both sides, distance. There is a bend, view is blocked, covering brake. Oh, it's safe, so I can use acceleration again. Car is stopped, checking mirrors, smoothly slowing down. It's moving.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the third exit, Lee Hill Road.
Narrow space, brake cover, go with care, watch distance both sides.
Cross the roundabout and take the third exit.
Going ahead, so no need signal. No one approaching from right. 1, 2, now left mirror, left signal. Car is approaching. He's slowing down. And now
200 yards, cross the
Left
roundabout
mirror.
and take the second exit, Inglefield Road.
Pulling up on the left mirror signal. I can see this safe place. Checking my reference point. Now it's good. I can stop here and secure. Now moving off, preparing. Car is at good distance.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Inglefield
We'll
Road.
go right from here, third exit. View is blocked. Car is approaching. Another car approaching. Now it's safe. Going around the white circle, nice and easy. No need exit signal. Mirror signal.
Turn left, Flaxley Road.
Mirrors check. Increase speed. Road is not good. Keeping good distance from the van. Another park van. Mirrors check. Good clearance. Speed up a little bit. Car is stopping. Mirrors check. Overtake. Come back. Mirrors check.
After 200 yards, turn right, Audley Road. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So brake cover is downhill.
Turn right, then, at the end of the
No
road,
need
turn left.
acceleration. Mirror signal left.
Turn left, then cross the roundabout and
Positioning
take the second
properly.
exit.
Observing. It's busy. Can go after blue car. Yes. Taking care of pedestrian. Bus is stopped. Checking mirror. Preparing to overtake. Keeping eyes on the bus indicator. Bus is still not moving. Now I have enough distance to carry on.
After
I'm
90
in space.
yards, cross the
Coming
roundabout
back.
and take the
Now
second
going
exit,
left into
Flaxley
the
Road.
car
Cross the
park.
roundabout and take the second exit.
I will go into the car park for maneuver. Now, mirror signal. Keeping slow. Left again. No one is coming. Now first I will do forward bay parking. Now keeping left and straight, choosing my bay. I think this one. Now blind spot check, signal on, start going in. Nice and easy. Slow down, Waiting to straight my car. Straight now, straightening wheel. Looking to the line. That's it. Checking if I'm in. Yes. All good. Now I'm reversing out and facing left. So prepare. Quick both side checks. Start rolling. Keep watching both sides. Full lock right. Keep watching my back. And now that's enough. Checking my side mirrors. Keep going around. Now I will do reverse bay parking. I will try to do all maneuvers. In the test you will do only one. Now choosing my bay. I think this one. Reference point. Second line of the bay to my shoulder. Full lock right. Observation. Go maximum close to this bay. Straight my wheel. Reverse gear. Need to go a little bit back before I full lock. Now I can full lock. Watching my side mirrors. I'm going in. And now my car is straight. Checking back. All good. It's safe. And here I can stop and secure. Now moving off. Quick both blind spot. Signal left. Little bit out. Full lock left. Straight my wheel. Check side mirrors.